Check a VW that nearly hit me coming out of a junction near a place called Iron Bridge. And there's a really good app called Vehicle Smart that you can use when buying used vehicles. Download it, really easy. Put in the registration. So the VW's registration was KN09 JOJ. Just press search, and it's going to give you loads of information about the vehicle. And at this stage, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. If you want to go deeper into a car's history, you can. If something's revealed, like it's been in an accident, for example, you can then pay a little bit more to get even more information. For free, you get all this information. You get all the vehicle's details. So it was a Volkswagen Scirocco 2009, 16 years old, silver, yeah, diesel, all that good stuff. Okay, you can go to MOT history. You can see it's just failed. So at the time of filming the video, it was the 7th of September. 10 days later, it's gone on to fail its MOT. These are all the MOTs it's had since 2012. You can also check the vehicle mileage down the bottom. Often see gaps or low mileage around the COVID times. Okay, and yeah, so let's go back to the MOT then, and let's see what it failed on. So it's had 1 dangerous and 5 majors. We can scroll down, we can see all the majors. Okay, and then there's the dangerous. So offside rear tyre, tread depth below the requirement of 1.6 millimeters. So it had bold tyres. And down here it's got some advisories as well. Things to do with like sort of corrosion. So yeah, safe to say, probably wasn't safe to be on the road at the time it nearly hit me. And if you're buying a used vehicle, I definitely advise downloading this app and having a check of the vehicle. That was close.